Hi sir, hope you're doing well. Just want to show you. Is it running? Lights are off, oil is good. Remember you worry about the lights? No lights coming on. No lights coming on. So I'm moving quickly because I still need to drop the guy home. And I can't... Okay. There's no leaks underneath. Everything's been bled. Okay. And then just a second look, you can see. And then again. Okay. Oil good. No lights. Okay. I'm giving the key to the security man here. I'll probably only answer my phone again tomorrow. As I said, I'm just rushing to take the guy home. But yeah, all is good. Thank you.